Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install PHP on Windows 11 PC. To install PHP on Windows 11 PC, we need to go to a browser. I open my browser and then type php.net. Then hit enter. After that, I will go to downloads and then scroll down. The current stable version of PHP is 8.4.3. I click on Windows Downloads and then I'll search third safe latest version of PHP. This is the third safe latest version of PHP. I click on zip, then it download the zip file of PHP binary package, and I minimize my browser, open zip files, and then I see lot of file related to PHP. So I close this and right click on zip file, extract all, and click on extract. After extract, I find a new folder PHP with version, and there are some suffix. So I rename this folder to PHP and then cut this folder and then move this folder to C drive. And then open the folder, copy the folder path, and then right click on this PC and go to properties. After that, click on advanced system settings, go to environment variables, and then find from the system variable path and double click on path and click on new and paste the path of the PHP folder and click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK. After that, close this and close the PHP folder also. Then right click on anywhere of the desktop and open the terminal and type php-v and hit enter. You see that the PHP latest version 8.4.3 is installed on Windows 11 PC. So I close this. So that was my video how to install PHP latest version on Windows 11 PC. If you, if you watch this video on Facebook, please hit the. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on my Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.